And next, we will have Kofi Saantis Davis.
Greetings, everyone. I had the privilege of working on the actual book, the physical book, of putting this book together with my mentor, Nana Tuuda, and Ohene. And it was a pleasure. It was something that was a dream for me to do, not because just for my personal satisfaction, but I saw how the book was needed. The book is a blueprint, an inspirational story, a narrative to show Black Americans that the actual process of Sankofa. And Sankofa is a big, major principle in the Akan culture. And we understand that for us to move forward, we have to go back. And so for young Black kids in America to see that someone can come from South Philly, you know, and I actually lived in that area recently, to come from that area, to go back to Africa, to find their, you know, calling, to get in contact with their, you know, ancestors and spiritual lineage, their family, and then to come back and then to share that with the community at large in North America. So it was a pleasure for me to be a part of that historic moment, and I am grateful, thank you, Ohene, for allowing me to be a part of that. And I hope everyone, you know, understands that this is not just a, you know, story about his life and a tell-all. This is not a TMZ exclusive, but this is a narrative to inspire others to Sankofa. Thank you.